Oh my god. This is so real. It's happening. Wildcats Revenge. All new hybrid coaster. This looks amazing. It's gonna have a max speed of 62 miles per hour, 140 feet tall, 3,510 feet of track length, and it is 2 minutes and 36 seconds, which is 10 seconds longer than Candemonium. So yeah, Wildcat's back and seeking vengeance. I called the name, I called it Wildcat's Revenge. An all-new wooded steel hybrid coaster, Wildcat's Revenge takes riders through one-of-a-kind thrills found only at Hersheyparks. Climb a 140-foot hill, hit max speeds of 62 miles per hour, dive into an 82-degree drop, invert 4 times, and stalk your prey through the world's largest underflip on 3 custom trains. Wow. That's all I have to say about this coaster. Wow. And I also called the color scheme red track, dark supports. Like, this is gonna be awesome. And it's going to have a truss. Hersheypark enthusiast called it. He called it. It's gonna have a truss, but it is only 140 feet. I know you're all thinking like 170-ish, but this looks so fun. It's still gonna be so much fun. I cannot believe this is happening. And I even called the train colors black and red. Ooh, I love this detail. That is awesome. The detailing this is gonna have. I am super pumped. Like, I cannot believe this is actually happening, that they actually announced this. I am so excited. But, yeah. I literally don't have any other words to say besides wow. That this is gonna be so much fun. I absolutely cannot wait. So yeah, that's it. That's gonna be it for now. I'm sure there's gonna be so much more content related to this, and I am so excited. So, that's it. Always stay Hersheypark happy. Peace.